How to delete your email account from Windows 10 Mail app. Now, this tutorial also works whether you're on Windows 10 or whether you're on Windows 11. You might have a certain account logged in on the default Mail app on Windows, and you want to remove or log out of that account. Now, normally to fix this, you can try to remove that particular account from your device itself. So you can simply open up Settings. Once you open Settings, from the top left, you'll find the current profile, which is your Microsoft account, or whichever account you have. Just select that. Once you're there, you want to scroll down and go to this option called Emails and Account. Now, when you go to Emails and Account, just look for the account that you want to remove from the Mail app. Once you've selected that, just select the Remove Account button, and once done, you will be able to remove that particular account from your computer, as well as also the Mail app on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.